Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. I'm currently building a tiny house from an old circus wagon, and last week we started by separating the house from the platform. And this week I want to try and get the walls done, hopefully the whole thing. And because this is a lot of work, I got new help from my friend Semjon. You've met him before. He worked with me on several projects in the past, and he's the expert when it comes to building tiny houses because he actually has a company building tiny houses. So I am so happy that he's here and helping us out with the framing and the wall building and window placement and all these things where experience actually matters a lot. Well, the thing with the framing is, honestly, framing the walls and the roof, I just want to be done with this as soon as possible because, yeah, it's cool, it's fun to build, but what I'm excited about is working on the interior. And this is just the thing I have to do so I can start working on the fun part. So let's just do it. I'm trying to get up really fast, but it's still hard with my knee. Maybe we need to do a cut, yeah? Okay. Let's just do it. So last week, Flo and I started working on the platform, and we covered it with this waterproof and weather-resisting plywood. And now this is the foundation where we can build the frame. As you can see, we glued all the sheets together and had a really cool system how to make sure that the glue gets spaced evenly. And because we have Semjon's model, I actually knew how much wood we're going to need for this project, so I ordered everything and it got delivered this morning. So now let's unpack it and see what we need and what we need to store. Geht, Felix? Mit der Kamera ist die schwer?
Ist super schwer. Vorsicht auch hier bitte, ich stehe hier.
Okay, we are ready to start with the floor. We cut everything to length and now Flo and Semjon are laying it out on the platform and I will keep cutting stuff to length. We are going so fast. I think we can get it done
in 2 hours.
End of the week. End of the week. Semjon and Flo are working on the structure of the floor on those beams. And in the meantime, I will start to cut those round shapes. I think this will take a long time, so better get started now. 1 down, 10 more to go. The cool thing is when the floor is laid down and all the beams are in place, we have registration for the next wall, so we know where all the uprights have to be. This is my favorite jigsaw hack, is just to put some styrofoam under the workpiece and then you can just cut through it and don't have to worry about a wobbly workpiece. Geil! Oh. Wir machen jetzt ein Feuer mit dem ganzen Restholz. I did not see this coming, how freaking fast we are. Honestly, I thought building the walls would be at least 3 days and a whole video. And then for next week, I was planning to cut the arches and make a video about the roof, but I think it's 1 video. I think we're getting it done in a week. I shouldn't say that. I have bad experiences with being too optimistic, but we're moving very, very fast. We're a good team. Okay, what we're doing now is cutting this beam. It follows the line of the arches and basically connects the wall to the roof framing. It's the next morning, it is -8 degrees Celsius, so I think it's time to get started. This all looks a little bit confusing, but this is basically the floor, the 2 long side walls and the 2 shorter front walls. And the front walls have the arch, which is the roof, so that's what we're doing now. All the shapes that we cut yesterday are now connected to the frame, and we can simply cut these off, and then the shorter walls are done. It is actually so cold that we have to keep our glue in a box with a hot water bottle. Otherwise it would get too cold.
Zieh mal raus. So. Super. cool.
The window is okay, but the cut-offs! Essen ist fertig.
So excited what we have for lunch today.
Eine Überraschung diesmal.
Gibt's noch was ganz anderes?
Geil! Alter! Oh. Ja! Drehen! Okay, geil. Okay, we're constructing the last wall and it is maybe 1 more hour before it gets dark, so let's hope we can do it in time. Oh, warte mal, den Kopf! Uah. Was war das denn? Ach, guck mal, das ist der Harry. Der kann uns doch helfen, hier die Wände aufstellen. Boah! Okay. Boah. Ja, passt. Passt. Boah, der ist schon echt ein bisschen zu kalt hier rein. 2 Tage, ey. Okay, habt ihr es? Ja, perfekt. Ist das abgefahren?
Harry, was denkst du denn? Wird das jetzt halten? Bist du überzeugt oder noch nicht?
Es ist ja noch nicht windig.
Hast du gesagt, willst du selber einziehen?
Nein.
Wir können da zusammen wohnen.
Das soll
Mäuschen.
der Schleim
Wir
jetzt
können
hier
da
auch.
zusammen wohnen. Nicht schlimm.
Danke, tschüss.
Danke! Das ist doch nur krank. Welcome to my new house. So, this is going to be the door. This is where I have the big 3-piece window, oven, kitchen, can see who's coming for dinner. And then there's another window. Platform bed, storage underneath, super comfortable, 30 degrees at all times. Nice floor, insulated, warm, nice lighting. Whew! I don't think I'm going to finish my other house. Ey, das wird so geil aussehen mit dem Fenster da drin. Ich bin so schön einfach. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Just the thought that I'll be living in this tiny house makes me so happy. And we did it in 2 days, and it's just such a good team. And Semjon, with all his expertise, he really knows what he's doing, and ich bin so happy. Oh Mann, ey, das ist so cool. It was so much fun to build it and finally work on something that I have an overview over and that I'm, I don't know, a little bit more perspective and not so long-term as the big house. It just makes me so happy. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, good. I think I'll move in soon, and that's okay. Sorry. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week with a new video.